Today I am reviewing the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're taking a close look at the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop, a premium all-in-one cleaning solution designed for hard floors. If you're tired of using separate tools to vacuum and mop, this device promises to simplify your entire cleaning routine into one smart, efficient system. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's dive in. At its core, the biggest advantage of the Tineco Floor ONE S5 is its two-in-one functionality. It doesn't just vacuum debris, it also mops your floors at the same time. This is especially useful for homes with pets, kids, or high-foot traffic where spills, dust, and sticky messes happen frequently. Instead of going over your floors multiple times with different tools, this device handles both dry and wet messes in a single pass. One of the standout features is the iLoop smart sensor technology. This intelligent system detects how dirty your floors are and automatically adjusts suction power, water flow, and brush roller speed. In simple terms, the vacuum works smarter, not harder. If it detects a heavily soiled area, it increases cleaning power. If the floor is already clean, it conserves battery and water. This not only improves efficiency, but also helps extend runtime. Speaking of performance, the cleaning capability is impressive. The brush roller is designed to clean close to baseboards and reach corners effectively, which is often a weak point for many vacuums. After cleaning, floors are left streak-free and almost completely dry within minutes, which is a big advantage compared to traditional mops that can leave floors wet for a long time. Another major improvement in this model is the larger water tank. The clean water tank is about 30% bigger than previous versions, allowing you to clean larger areas without stopping to refill. Combined with the dual tank system, this ensures that you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution, instead of spreading dirty water across your floors. This makes a noticeable difference in hygiene and overall cleanliness. The design also feels very user-friendly. The vacuum is cordless, which gives you complete freedom of movement without worrying about power outlets or tangled cables. It's also relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tighter spaces. The digital display is another useful addition, giving you real-time updates on battery life, cleaning mode, and maintenance alerts. When it comes to maintenance, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 really shines. One of the most annoying parts of traditional wet vacuums is cleaning the roller after use. Here, that problem is solved with a self-cleaning system. With just one press of a button, the machine automatically flushes and cleans the brush roller and internal tubing. It even performs a centrifugal drying process, so the roller is clean and ready for the next use without any manual scrubbing. For homes with pets, the built-in pet hair strainer is a great addition. It helps separate and collect hair efficiently, making disposal much easier. This is particularly useful if you have dogs or cats that shed frequently, as it prevents clogs and keeps the system running smoothly. Another thoughtful feature is the 3-in-1 docking station, which allows you to store, charge, and maintain the device in one place. It keeps everything organized and ensures the vacuum is always ready when you need it. Now, while the Tineco Floor ONE S5 is packed with advanced features, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's primarily designed for hard floors only, such as tile, laminate, and hardwood. It's not meant for carpets or thick rugs. Also, like most cordless devices, battery life is limited, so larger homes may require a recharge during extended cleaning sessions. Regular maintenance is also important to keep the device performing at its best. For example, cleaning the filter and HEPA component monthly is recommended, along with proper care of the dirty water tank to avoid false alerts and maintain accurate performance. Overall, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop delivers a powerful, intelligent, and convenient cleaning experience. It significantly reduces the time and effort required to clean hard floors, while delivering impressive results in both vacuuming and mopping. If you're looking for a modern, all-in-one cleaning solution that combines smart technology, strong performance, and ease of use, this is definitely one of the top options on the market. It's especially ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants spotless floors without spending hours cleaning. In conclusion, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 stands out as a premium, smart cleaning device that truly earns its place in a modern home. It's efficient, easy to use, and designed to make your cleaning routine faster and more effective than ever before.